y'all, nobody wanted this bread, so we getting ready to, I'm gonna try to throw it away. Maybe take the lid off one of them and throw it away. We gotta get some fuel, y'all. We gonna talk about this load once I get to going with what I need to go with. But yeah, you get right there. This is what the bread is. I'm sure that's some good bread, but you got to go. We gotta hurry up, y'all. So this is the plan. The load is already ready. Matter of fact, I just do a voiceover. Okay, Slime Pad Nation, I done volunteer myself to do more editing. I don't know why I be volunteering myself to do these voiceovers whenever I already gotta do editing on top of editing. But anyways, here in this video, we getting ready to go pick up a load at the Sanderson Farm in North Carolina. I had already called them before I left the Harris Teeters, and they said the load was ready. Now, the original time for this pickup, I think it wasn't until, I think 4 p.m. the next day. But the load is literally ready right now. Currently, that I'm recording the video, I think it was somewhere around like 11 p.m. But the load supposed to be dropping off in Pageland, South Carolina at a Walmart. So it's a drop and hook at the pickup and a drop and hook at the drop off. So my plan is, y'all already know, once y'all hit at North Carolina, your girl gonna try to find some way to get home. Where I'm picking up, it's like an hour away from home. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably swing by home, because home is in the direction of me going to the drop-off location, and I'm gonna have enough time to do my 10-hour break and maybe a little bit more hour break at home. So that's the plan for this video. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna put in here, y'all. Let me see, let me tell y'all something. I was walking back to my truck from the receiver that I just left from the Harris Teeters. That was in my previous video. Walking back to the truck, and it's like the ground had like deep cracks in them. And I'm just walking, you know, minding my business, head up in the air, you know. All of a sudden, I go down to the ground, y'all. Tell me why I fell in front of, like, I just fell in front of a whole bunch of people. I got up and just kept walking. And I ain't gonna lie, it ain't even fazed me, because this ain't the first time I done fell. My worst fall was in one of my worst falls was in TNT. That was my first fall. I fell from not these steps, but I stepped down right here and I missed these and I just hit the ground. I'll never forget that. And then I think my worst falls was, this was during the winter time, and it was ice on the ground, y'all, and I was trying to walk careful as possible, tiptoeing, had on my boots and all. I think I got me a milkshake from a Hardee's. I was just tiptoeing, all of a sudden, here I go to the ground. People walking in front of me, people parked in their trucks. Then I get up, walk a little bit more and fall again. It's like, what in the world? I'm already like naturally a little bit clumsy, but that day was just insane. Sometimes it don't even bother me no more. And I think I scraped my knee. But we good. I gotta hurry up. I usually end up staying here whenever I'm taking my load home, coming from up this way. It's hard to get a park here, but luckily most of the times I came here I done got it by luck. Put some fuel in this trailer. I already got a trailer washout already. Oh, I forgot I took that off. I got that like, I think 2 X's ago. The Flying J had a washout. I was gonna get the truck washed, but it's like, I'm cutting for time. Make sure these lights back here working. Everything intact. No ABS. Good. I don't know why that cord keep dropping. Get rid of this trash. Just come off. Yeah. Yup. Somebody, uh-oh. Ever clean your gloves off? We usually would be starting around this time, getting ready to get, well, I am just starting around this time, getting ice, water, coffee, but I'm not gonna get no coffee right now. I'm gonna just get me something to drink. That's a pretty color right there. It's like a tan color, but yeah. I will see y'all at the Sanderson farm where we picking up at.
Wow. What's your truck number? Now that I can't see.
You can't see that. That's at the front. 741-222.
Oh, this light is useless. 741-222. You see that? No. Oh, yo. I was about to say I need to go get laser surgery. Hell no.
Z or just
S.
Just S.
J-A-S-M-I-N-E.
North Carolina?
Mm-hmm. That's why I'm trying to get this and go home now. Trying to go home before I deliver this load.
Well, I ain't trying to wait. Don't talk with y'all.
They told me it was ready. I said,
Oh, yeah, it's ready.
I just left Greensboro.
You just left Greensboro? Ooh.
What's the like up there?
I mean,
Traffic.
nothing special.
Not much fuel in
I need.
that.
Full. I just filled it up. Dang, y'all, my camera stopped recording. We looking for trailer number 250843. Alright, Slime Pad Nation, so we have made it to the Lowe's that I'm always coming to when I'm at home. But I'm in a truck. But we get ready to go home. I gotta put some fuel in this trailer, and I think I may park at the Sheets. The Sheets is closer, and plus it's getting me closer to my destination. Gonna fill this trailer all the way up to the tippy top. We made it over here to the Sheets, and I just did a mean blindside back. I've been doing a lot lately. I'm waiting on my Uber to come, and I'm gonna do my little reset at the house. I'm only like 100 miles away from this Walmart in South Carolina. I'm gonna leave out tonight. I got an appointment time from 12 a.m. till 7 a.m. So I might leave home about maybe 11 p.m. So y'all probably getting ready to enjoy the day with me, and then we're gonna deliver this load later. So I got me the clothes I done wore. I'm gonna wash that. Now y'all see my salad. I didn't even eat. Make sure them license plates is right. What are we looking for? JB. Good morning. So y'all can see when I made it. Hey, my baby. I missed you. Let's see if we can get a cold start. Got a female in there working on it. I'm missing my key lock. The key for the lug nut. Make sure this is mine.
Alright.
Yeah, they forgot my key.
Oh Lord. Oh, that, yeah, we know that's yours. I know.
I gotta make sure. Guess we're going cornered this bay right here. Alright. So I'm already here at Dodge. About to help myself to some coffee. See what they got going on here. Oh no, you gotta pay for this. I thought it was free. No. Let me see. I'm back there. Y'all can see that Ninja Turtle back there. Let me go in here and see if any of my friends busy or not. Alright, y'all, so I'm over here at June desk. And why he got Red Robin up here on the screen? It must be lunchtime.
I'm about to stay here with him. Snuck up on me, though. She trying to get me, I'm trying to get her. I give up. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Tell me why Red Robin was on your screen.
I'm hungry.
I said it must be lunchtime.
I'm hungry.
What you getting, a tavern burger?
No, I'm getting that daggone a bonsai burger. The one with the pineapple.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah, you don't know about that.
I usually get the, what is it, the pig out?
I can't afford that one. That's out of my
Man,
budget.
it is not expensive.
That's out of my budget. Look at this. Shucks. Hey.
Nah, you up there by the Monster Burgers.
No, that right there, though. Look at that.
Oh, yours higher than mine's.
What, yours way down here. Yours in the $20 round.
No, it's not.
The gourmet joint where they hand pat it in front of you before they cook it. We gotta check the weight and make sure everything good.
Hey.
18 and up burger.
What you doing, pick up or delivery?
I think I'm gonna sit down in there.
Sit down in there so you can get the
I can get
more
a full
fries.
effect, and I get more fries.
Yeah, you
The
keep
heavy
getting them
seasoning.
fries. Oh yeah.
Cause you know you go in there, they got a container of seasoning. What I do is, I look left, I look right, I put the whole container in my pocket. Oh yeah. That there, I don't know about that one. The scorpion, the smoke, and pepper.
Man, you must have unlocked the mystery menu because I ain't seen some of these.
The gold burger, golden medal burger.
I think I just ate there like 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, this right here. Oh my God, the sauteed mushrooms. That almost slime.
What time is your lunch?
I don't know, but it's about to be real close. 'Cause I want one.
Yeah, I said, oh yeah, it must be lunchtime. He got Red Robin up here.
Let's blow that up. I think people don't believe. I can't even blow it up. It's so big. It's already maxed out.
It's gotta let you blow it up because you gotta, customize
All right, hold on.
the ingredients.
The burning love. I want the burning love. Oh
There
my
you go.
God. Look at this, y'all. Look, it gotta have a pepper on the side, or smoking on top, and sliced fried.
Hey, if they don't give it to you like that, tell them to take it back.
Take it back, man. I want the burning love. Click on that. Oh my God. I'm about to have a fat attack. Extra protein, extra bacon. Oh, extra fried jalapeno coins. Let me get that. Give me some. No, give me some. It won't give it to me. How you not gonna? Oh, there you go. You gotta hate it. They gotta make sure you really want it.
Yeah.
The jalapeno radish.
You can add pineapple on
Oh, I
that
got
one.
pineapple. My stomach be killing me. No, I can't eat this at work. I can't eat that at work.
Save it for the night.
Yeah,
night.
I be late in my bed like this.
So where your boy at? What's Sam at?
Oh, Samuel? Samuel went to the gym.
Oh, he went to the
He
gym?
went to the gym last night.
Uh-huh.
And I think he overdid it.
Oh, man.
See, the problem with these young guys is they trying to get the 8-pack like me.
Right?
They working too hard. It's easy. It's right hand, fork, insert. Just keep doing it over and over again. And guess what happens? You go from this to... Then you be real.
All right, Slime Pat Nation, y'all know where we at. Y'all know where we had to come get that drink.
Starbucks, I'll be right with you in 1 quick second.
Can I get a venti caramel ribbon crunch wrap?
I got you. And it's 5 brown sugar red,
Yes.
and then 4 toffee nut,
Uh-huh.
extra crunch, right?
Yes.
And extra caramel drizzle,
Yes.
and then almond milk,
That's correct.
and then the 9 prongs. Anything else am I missing?
Yeah, the 9 parts of the dark caramel.
I got that.
4 shots of espresso.
4 shots. That's what I'm missing.
Extra
Anything
extra ice so it's not watery. Y'all, it's like I'm drinking milk. Like I don't want that to watery. I can tell that's right by just by looking at it. Thank you. When you a usual like that, when I walked in, because they not used to me walking in, she was like, what's wrong? I ain't even have to say nothing. I was like, it's too watery. I ain't even have to wait in line. They went crazy with this one. All right, y'all, I had to come. Bath and Body Works, they got that 40% off the entire store. It's time to stack up on some things. So it is pre-trip time. He waiting on this spot, but I told him I need like, 30 minutes so I can do what I need to do. I'm glad he was already up because I was gonna have to knock on his door anyway. Make sure ain't nobody mess with my trailer settings. If somebody was to change it or anything, Prime, they have alarms. So anytime something get changed and it's not on the right set point, it was still good. Hold on, can y'all see? But like I was saying, dang, I gotta cut my lights on. Prime was send you out notifications back to back until that trailer is set back on the correct stuff that it's supposed to be on. I'm about to put y'all down, finish my pre-trip the right way, and I'm gonna get out this way so he can get this spot. Light check. I need my flashes to go ahead. There we go. Both sides good. Cool, cool. I don't need no coffee because I done had Starbucks for today, which y'all done seen on camera. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna go up and go to the left or try to creep up and snake it out to the right. I came over here so I could clean my windows, grab me some ice, and we're gonna be pulling out by 11:30. It's currently 11:15. Let's see if we can attempt to get this ice for free, cause I ain't been buying nothing lately. So far we on perfect timing. It is 11:24, if y'all can see or not. And we getting ready to head out. We finally made it here. Morning. Y'all, it never fails. Every time I say, boom, as soon as I get to Walmart, I'm going to take me a nap. It ended up being a dropping hook, so this load is a dropping hook. I'm not mad. It's just I was prepared to be live unload. I could stay home a little bit longer. Tell y'all something. The only thing about these dropping hooks is you could risk losing a good trailer for a raggedy trailer. This right here would be my third trailer that I'm a pre-trip. The other two was no good. One of them was no fuel and the mud flap bracket was completely broke off. And then the other one, it was full of fuel. All right, that's a half. It was, what was wrong with that one? It was real dirty and it was something else wasn't working on it. So now we here at the third one. See what it looked like on the inside. Smell like maybe apples was in here or something. But man, ain't no clean trailers more decent, because I'm not sure how close a trailer washout is within distance. It is currently 3:49, and as y'all can see, I already got it shut down. Got my clothes out to wear tomorrow. They already ironed. And this is gonna be the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video. By the way, we already do have a pre-plan. I don't know if I told y'all or not. I had a pre-plan like earlier this morning, so we're gonna talk about that in the next video.